Welcome to this explanation of Alliance Emotion Global Business. My name is Toyin Aluko. Alliance Emotion Global is number one direct selling company in the world, currently present in over 200 countries. The company distributes top of the line food supplements manufactured by Nature's Way USA. For full details about the products of Alliance Emotion Global, kindly visit our website www.allianceemotionafrica.com/products. Now, it may interest you to know that business you are about to see will give you decent daily income with or without buying and selling of any products. But first, let me show you 7 interesting things about this business. That is 7 reasons why most people love to do the business. Number one is the one-time purchase. That is, once you purchase the business package once, you are automatically enrolled into the lifetime business that pays you every day. The company will give you free products from time to time. You enjoy free international trips. And like I said, buying and selling is not a must. There is no auto ship. You also have opportunity to do multiple accounts to earn more. Getting started is very simple. Simply make a one-time purchase of your desired business package and request for the corresponding income plans that come with it. Remember, no buying and selling, no maintenance, no auto ship, there is no time frame, you get free products, and of course you get paid every day directly into your bank account. Now you may want to ask, what if you join the business, you are able to refer 2 people, let's say Ada and Obi for instance, and they cannot get 2 people, they are only referring one. I am telling you, the system will still pay you so far they are falling on the left and the right respectively. So even if it goes on like that, the system will still continue to pay you. Now, what happens? Let's assume this is me. There is another interesting thing about the business. Let's assume this is me. I join the business. I refer you and Sarah, and you are able to refer Ada, which is just one person, but you are having difficulty referring the second person. You can still enjoy your income. That is, if I'm doing it full time, for instance, and I'm getting the third person to the business, I cannot refer them to myself because our system is binary. Everyone needs just 2 people under them. So the next person I'm bringing to the business, which is Obi, will fall under you, and the system does not care. The system will still pay the 2 of them for you, and it will still pay you, so you get paid from your upline's referral. So even as you were not the one who referred Obi, and as he continues the business, you continue to get paid on them over and over again as the chain continues. That is how interesting our business is. Apart from that, we have 4 different ways to earn from this business apart from the matching bonus. The number one is the Unilevel, and of course we have the Stellar bonus, royalty income, profit sharing. You can have a full business presentation that explain all this other area on our website. Now, in closing, I want to quote from Robert Kiyosaki. He said, financial freedom is a mental, emotional, and educational process. That is, what you have just discovered is a form of education about how the business works. You have a right to react to it anyhow. You may say it may not work, but I am telling you, it doesn't change what the business is. It will only affect what you get out of it, of the business. It may interest you to know that this same business has already changed many lives all around the world. Imagine this, and if you look at the screen, you see pictures of cars achievers in the organization. When they make money, they pick up the cars of their choices. And also, this is an example of a daily income of somebody. Imagine any this on a daily basis from this simple concept. Now, in case you consider this a very interesting business, but you are wondering, how can I get people, how can I refer 2 people into the business? By the grace of God, we have a solution for you. We'll give you tested and proven tips and ideas for getting as many people as you want without begging anyone. We have automated system for generating 10 to 20 leads on Facebook and other social media every blessed day, so you will never run out of people. You have quality tools and resources, everything we need, we use to generate leads on daily basis on social media and every other platform. We will give everything to you, and of course you have access to ongoing training with sound support system. Now the question is, are you ready? This video is brought to you by the best team in Africa, the Great Minds Alliance. I would suggest, if you like this business, I would highly recommend that you join an active team. It is not just about registering for Alliance in Motion Global, but in our team, we will give you all the support you need. We will follow you anywhere to do the business with you. Of course, we understand the game and we will definitely play with you. We have the top earners, international trainers, and professionals in our team who are always willing to help you. For more information about this business, kindly send a WhatsApp message to the number you are seeing on the screen, or you visit our website www.allianceinmotionafrica.com. Thank you for watching.